What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we've got something really interesting on the table. A paper airplane controlled by your smartphone. And you guys actually decided that this should get its own separate video during my last Massive Tech unboxing. You all voted, and here we have it. This is the Powerup 3.0 smartphone controlled paper airplane. Now, when they sent this package to me, it came with 3 pieces: the actual plane itself, some paper templates over here, and I think a stand to hold the actual plane once it's all folded. I've got no clue where my unboxing knife is, so we're gonna be using this little finger cutter thing by Nimble. It works though. Oh snap, this thing cut the box too. It's pretty sharp. And you guys wouldn't believe it, but this is the actual body of the paper airplane. This thing's made out of carbon fiber. It's stupidly skinny, but let's take it out of the box. Oh snap, it also comes with a few templates. These are different papers to actually fold. You can fold them in different ways. I think they have the instructions right on them. All right, so we finally got it loose, and this is pretty much it. So what we're looking at over here, this is the nose of the plane, and right here is also where you have your Bluetooth module. And this thing charges with a micro USB cable, and you get about 10 minutes of flight time over 200 feet, which is really, really good, especially for something this big. And in the back here, you've got your propeller. So this thing is what's going to give it juice, keep it going. And it's got this little fin here that's actually going to be tilted using your smartphone. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that there's a little QR code right at the top of the folding paper, so you can go ahead and watch an instructional video on how to fold these up. So I've got my video right here, and let me get started.
Fold the airplane in half and gives us things to the airplane. Look, the airplane for turning.
All right, I'm ready to fly this thing.
All right, guys, so here we have the Powerup 3.0, and let me tell you, it's been months since we filmed the unboxing, but we finally have perfect weather since it's summer to actually take this out and fly it. And we got this really, really big open field. We're at a park, and we are going to see how this thing does. Okay, guys, so there are 3 steps that we need to take before we actually start flying this thing. So they want us to trim the rudder. I'm supposed to get it straight. It seems to be veering towards the left. All right, so I think I got the rudder. Now to trim the elevators, I actually have to throw it. You got this, Jay? You catching this? We're about to send this thing off into space, man. Let's give this another shot. Oh. Yo, did you see that? Okay, guys, so I think I did just about everything that I need to get it set up to fly. So let me double tap this to unlock it.
Cleared for takeoff.
Ooh, all right, so I'm cleared for takeoff. Let's do this. All right, guys, here we go. I think I've got it now. I've got the perfect throw down. You ready for this, guys? Watch the arm. It's coming. This is gonna be the one. Here we go.
Cleared for takeoff.
Right angle, boom. All right, here we go. Whatever. And now it flies. Come on. Woo, come on, give me something. Come back home. I didn't even try that time. So I feel like one thing that makes this kind of hard is when you're throwing it, you have your fuel and your throttle that you can control on the smartphone. So you're using this to control your speed. But I find myself wanting to look at this guy rather than this, and I feel like it just kind of throws off the whole thing. But let's give it another shot. All right, come on. Don't give up. Don't give up. Let's go. Let's go. Do you see this? Yeah, come on home. Dang. It was up for a while though. Right off into the sunset, baby. Go on. Turn around. Oh, come back, come back. No. It's working now though. All right, so the wind is definitely our enemy. Just gonna have to wait it out a little bit. Oh, we're running out of juice, so this is the last one. Woo! Let's go, come on, come on. Come back, come back, come back. Up, up. Oh, it just gave up. All right, guys, so that was fun, but you definitely need no wind so that it doesn't mess up your flights. We got the best results when there was no wind, but this just has me wanting to go out again and try this when it's, I guess, a calmer day in terms of the wind. Do I recommend this? It's not very expensive, so it's worth giving it a shot. I have links down below in the description for you guys to check it out. But that about wraps up this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives it a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.